Hey party people, it's Holly, the Twister sister, and we've got a brand new tutorial for you guys today. The new Aladdin movie is coming out soon. I'm so super stoked. That was my favorite movie as a kid. I'm not sure how I feel about the redo, but I'll have to wait and see it before I make any judgments. But I'm excited. One of my favorite princesses is going to be popular again, and so I want you guys to be prepared for requests. So today we're doing a 3-balloon Jasmine. Now I also have a deluxe version of this princess, and that is an exclusive tutorial for my members. If you're not a member, you might want to go learn more about that. Link is in the description below. I'll give you all the info and how to join us. Now for this princess, you definitely want to use a nice turquoise colored balloon, something with that nice blue-green color. So I'll be using the deluxe turquoise from Battletex today, and I'm going to start with her outfit, and I'm giving her a one-piece bodysuit kind of, just because this is meant to be a quick version of Jasmine, and so we're not gonna do different like the crop top and the pants and all that. It's just gonna be one piece. So I've left about a 2 to 3 inch tail, and we're gonna start off at the front with just a small round bubble and 2 loops. So just fold your balloon over and twist your loops. It's gonna be a lot like my line work princess. Okay, so we've got that. We're gonna come down for her body, about 2 inches or so, and then we're gonna do 2 smaller loops, and these will be like the top part of her pants, kind of like the hip area. Like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do her legs. Don't make them too long. You don't want it to look funny. Okay, so about like that, and then come back up and meet in the back. Twist it into your loops. And then I like to leave a little bubble here in the back, so I'm just going to let the air out of here until I just have enough for a small little bubble, and then we're going to take the tail of this balloon and just wrap it in around her waist to sort of twist off that little bubble, kind of making it into a pinch twist. And you can tuck the rest of this up inside, cut it off, hide it, whatever you want to do. So this is the body of our Jasmine princess. Then the rest of this is going to be the flesh colored stuff and the hair colored stuff. Now I'm using the Battletex Peach Blush. I feel like for her skin tone, a darker shade would probably be a little bit better. So if you have the Battletex Toffee color, that would probably be a good fit. I'm out of it in 260s, or else I would be using it myself. So we're gonna go with Peach Blush for this video, and you're just gonna tie both of your balloons together in a double knot. And I've left about 3 to 4 inch tails on these guys. You don't have to be too specific with these. All right, we're gonna start off with a pinch twist on our black. So just a small round bubble and make that a pinch twist. And then we're gonna come out for a short little loop. Okay, we've got that. And then we're gonna make her hair coming down the side of her head. Okay, so we're gonna twist our black and peach together. And then the hair is gonna go back up into the pinch twist. And I am using a Qualitex black. You just have to be a little bit more careful when you're twisting. It's a little bit more stickier, I guess. It feels sticky. Okay, and we're gonna come back down the other side of the head and twist into the neck. Okay, so that is what we've got now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off her hair at this point, just so we can be done with that, and then we'll connect everything together. So with the rest of my black, we're gonna do a spiral for her long hair. It's just, you know, the fastest, easiest way to kind of get the look of her hairstyle. So squeeze your balloon out so it fills up all the way to the end. And we're just gonna twist off a small little bubble here at the end of our balloon. And you can bring that small bubble back up into the base of the head, twisting into the black, not the peach blush, but the black. Okay, so we've got that. And we're gonna spiral the rest of this together. So I'm gonna fold my balloon out, find the middle point, and make a twist there. And now to spiral these, I'm just gonna start at the end here and just start pulling my balloons apart and then wrapping them around each other. spiral the hair all the way down. And these black Qualitex are nice and sticky, so it should hold a nice spiral for you. Okay, so there we've got her hair from the back. And this little bubble might be getting in your way or pushing the hair around where you don't want it. And so I like to just sort of tuck it up in between these two black bubbles. So just open them up a bit and put that little bubble inside there. And then the hair is a little bit more free to do whatever you want it to do. So now we're gonna connect all this together. We're gonna make a little bubble for her neck, grab her body, and place the neck right into the top set of loops. Okay, and then the rest of our peach balloon is gonna be her two arms. And we don't want her arms to be too thick, and so you really wanna squeeze your balloon out to thin it out a bit. Make it just look a little bit smaller. And we're going to fold it over and squeeze it a little bit to make an elbow. Do a twist there at the end of that arm, and then we're gonna go back up into the other side here. So we're gonna fold our balloon over, do a little squeeze for an elbow. And then we're coming back up into the other loop on the other side of her body. Once you've got both arms, then you can go ahead and get rid of the rest of your peach balloon. And then just line everything up so you've got her, the top of her arms should be kind of pushed back underneath her little loop bubbles and then coming out towards the front. So make sure the tops of the arms are just pulled in back so that they look like they're coming out from behind or underneath these loops. And then give her hair a little curl, make it a nice shape, and that is your 3-balloon Princess Jasmine. Now, since you're probably in a fast-moving line work situation, I just am gonna go with my go-to closed princess eyes. So that's gonna be 2 swirly looking lines, and then I'm just gonna add a couple of eyelashes, and then the eyebrows, a little nose, and then we'll just give her some lips. Ta-da! So that is the finished family-friendly 3-balloon Princess Jasmine. Pretty quick, comes together fast, so you could definitely add this one to your menu. I'm going to have clip art available for you guys. And of course, my members have access to the clip art because it's going in my vault of clip art, which they get access to. And if you want to find out more about membership, check out the link in the description below. I will give you guys all the details on how to join us over there. If you're a member, make sure to check out the members area to get the deluxe version of Jasmine so you can really impress your customers and clients this year. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys really liked it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for Tutorial Tuesday. If you're curious about where I get my balloon animal clothing and gear, check out the twistersister.com. I design it myself and I've made it available for others to purchase. So check it out and see if you see anything you like. Also, it makes my day to see you guys posting pictures of the designs I teach you. Join my Facebook group, brag, show off what you've done this week, and we'll be so excited to see it and cheer you on. And then if you have questions about this design and you want to catch me live to ask me those questions, I'm going live on Wednesdays this month on my Facebook page to do a Wednesday replay. We'll all redo this design live for you guys so you can see it in more detail. If you have any questions, I will be live to answer them for you. So look forward to seeing you guys on Wednesdays on my Facebook page. I will be back here again next Tuesday for another Tutorial Tuesday with you guys. Can't wait, and enjoy your week. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.